What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Biggs here with LimeTime Garage, and today we have another vendor spotlight. This spotlight view is a vendor that I used to get the billet bits that are going to be in my steering column. I do like the blue column that I have. It's really nice, but I also was noticing like Bags on the Go had a couple cars with these really nice billet pieces, and so I started looking online to see where those came from, and I found them. Now this actually is from Southwest Performance Parts, and they're in Arizona, Surprise, Arizona. So definitely go and check them out. I got in touch with them on their eBay, and I saw them. It's pretty nice. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and hope you guys have a wonderful day so far. The Cutlass build is going hot and heavy, and we are trying to get as much stuff done as possible. Alright, so we have just a little bag here, and so what they do, they come like this. It says right here, GM billet column shifter, turn signal, hazard kit, billet column kit. Pretty cool. They got a good weight to it. The ones that I have right now, the OG shifters, they're kind of like plasticky and dinky. I'm not too satisfied with that. So, okay, we got a little piece here. This, I'm not sure what it is, but we will check that out. It's a nice little just chrome looking deal there. It's pretty cool. I think that's one of the hazard lights or whatnot. The next one is this piece. Again, really nice. It's nothing fancy or anything. It's just a metal billet piece that's like, it feels real solid. It's like, again, it's not that plasticky type stuff. So here we go. Here's another one, a little bit longer. It's got a little like hole through it. I'm gonna open this one up. I don't know exactly, like I said, which ones these are for, but man, look at that. Really nice. Just, man, it feels good. Can't wait to have this in the Cutlass. I think these little features, it makes the car so much nicer. But the big one is right here. Sorry, hit the camera there. So this is the aluminum column shifter only, and man, this is what got my attention. This thing, it's big, but it is nice looking. Look at this. Here it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bruh. It's a whole nother level of craftsmanship when you have something like this in your car. Ooh, look at that. Oh man. Incredible looking. Yeah, I mean, so far it looks good. This is the end piece here. It's got a nice little cut right there. I think that's cool looking. You know, it's kind of like a muscle feel, but luxury at the same time. You know, that to me is awesome. So, yeah, so there you go. This is like a little kit. I think it was around 70-80 bucks for the kit. And definitely something that I wanted for my car. I see a lot of people that have it, and I'm like, man, that's a nice touch, and it would go really well with mine. So yeah, they're definitely out there. And again, I got this from Southwest Performance Parts out of Surprise, Arizona. So I'll try to find their Instagram, their website, or whatever, and link it in the video. But yeah, really cool vendor spotlight, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, talk to those comments down below. Tell me what you think. Think those are pretty cool to put on the car. I know a lot of people do it, but the look is just so good. So with that being said, I'm out. Catch me in traffic.